My name is Jasmine Bedria, and I do something called Holistic Fitness. I'm a personal trainer, nutrition specialist, and EFT coach. Nobody really knows what EFT is. It's not that new of a thing. It stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, and it's also called tapping because you're tapping on the acupressure points of the body. So it's kind of like acupuncture without the needles, and it's a mix of Eastern therapy, so the acupuncture and energy therapy, with Western kind of talk psychology therapy. And what it does is it helps people to alleviate certain emotional blockages that are hindering them from reaching their goals or causing them to struggle. I would say that health is directly connected to emotions because it's been proven time and time again that stress isn't just emotional stress. Stress, it can be physical, and I truly believe that the body manifests emotional stresses in physical ways. So diseases, aches and pains, just different things are caused by emotional stress. EFT, the tapping, it's an absolutely amazing tool. I myself have used it I use it for everything from procrastination to cravings to, whatever, if I feel stressed or worried about something, whatever it may be. Another great thing about it is the fact that it's meant for people to use by themselves as a tool, because their body is their tool. So you don't need a therapist, you don't really need anything except yourself and just the knowledge on how to do it. And it expedites regular therapy by years. Somebody can completely get over a fear or phobia or craving or whatever negative emotion they have in just a few sessions, if not one, as opposed to traditional therapy where people go for years and still don't really dig into what's wrong and heal it. One of my clients, actually, she suffered from allergies to all kinds of things. From mechanical pencil lead to the plastic on binders to food like gluten and different things like that. And so we tapped through it, and after 20-30 minutes, which is way shorter than the traditional therapy of years, we pretty much tapped into the subconscious in a way. And after that, she went to bed that night, and then the next day she said she was writing with a mechanical pencil, all this stuff, to where it actually healed her and unblocked that emotional baggage she carried. And so that's just power of it right there. It's just really awesome. It's really awesome how it works, just using the energy of your body.